Welcome to our Reviews Value Realization series. In this video, we'll explore Yotpo's powerful Review Smart Sorting feature. My name is Yakov, Enterprise Customer Success Manager at Yotpo for the last 2 years. In e-commerce, every interaction matters. That's why Yotpo continues to innovate, and we're proud to introduce Smart Sorting, our latest feature designed to revolutionize how shoppers engage with reviews. By dynamically surfacing the most relevant and valuable reviews, Smart Sorting will enhance the shopping experience and drive higher conversions. Here's how it works. AI-driven insights. At the core of Smart Sorting is an AI-driven scoring system. Each review is assigned an informative score, calculated daily, based on parameters like recency, number of topics covered, inclusion of images or videos, review length, and whether this is a verified buyer's review or an anonymous user. We use this algorithm to ensure reviews with the most shopper-relevant content are prioritized in the display. There's also a seamless integration. From the shopper's perspective, the experience is just seamless. The new most relevant option appears alongside existing sorting methods like most recent and highest rated. Merchants can toggle this feature directly in the main widget editor, ensuring flexibility while we prioritize shopper satisfaction and conversion. There's also balanced representation. Smart Sorting doesn't only highlight positive reviews, it ensures that relevant negative reviews also receive their rightful presence. And here's the main value. By displaying relevant reviews regardless of sentiment, Smart Sorting provides shoppers with an accurate and trustworthy representation of customer feedback, empowering them to make better decisions, boosting engagement, and increasing conversion rate. Smart Sorting brings several key benefits. Smart Sorting enhances review relevance with AI-driven insights. There's seamless integration for merchants and shoppers. And our early results from our internal release and A/B tests are promising, with an average of 5 to 8% increase in conversion from traditional sorting, like most recent or most relevant. We're also seeing boosting engagement by surfacing valuable reviews and improving shopper satisfaction. And of course, we have global compatibility, supporting multiple languages. Smart Sorting is available for Pro and above packages across all platforms. While the feature supports all languages, the topics parameter is currently optimized for English reviews. In summary, Smart Sorting enhances the shopping experience by dynamically surfacing the most relevant reviews, fostering trust, engagement, and higher conversions. How we do it is with AI, which assigns an informative score to prioritize valuable reviews based on recency, content richness, and customer relevance, which seamlessly integrates into the widget, offering flexible sorting options like most relevant. And the results? We see increases in engagement and satisfaction, with early tests showing a 5 to 8% boost in conversion rates. I'll see you in the next video.